So we look at another law which says that if we have got Z, which is being given as root of A divided by root of B, it is equals to root A over B. For instance, if we have gotten root of 50 divided by root of 3, it is equal to root of 15 divided by 3, which will give you root of 5, because 3 will go to 15, 5. So this one becomes your solution. Now let us take some simplification of Z. So simplification of Z. Very good. So we have this question and we see how best we can try it. So solution. Good. We see 27. We ask ourselves, is it possible to be reduced? If it is possible to be reduced, reduce it then before you try to do your expansion. So if I look at 27, I know that 9 times 3 will give me 27, and 9 is also a perfect number. So in this case, I'm going to get 3, 9 times 3. This is what I have, minus 4 root 3. Open the bracket, 2. I have 12. Is there a perfect number that is in 12? Yes, we know that 4 is in 12. So if 4 is in 12, I'm going to get 2 root of 4 times 3 minus 5. Is there a perfect number that is in 48? Yes. I know there is 16. 16 times 3. Just try and be a little bit smart. 16 times 3 will give me 48. So I've got this one also give me 16 times 3. Good. I close all. So what do I have? Now 3 here. The root of 9 is also 3. Root 3. This is going to give me 3 root 3 minus 4 root 3. I open a bracket. 2 is out. Root of 4 will give me what? 2. So times 2 root 3 minus 5. Root of 16 is 4. So times 4 root 3. So what I have is what? Coming down here. Okay. Let me create a diversion here so that it becomes easy. So I've got 3 times 3 is 9 root 3. So I've gotten 9 root 3 here. This section gives me 9 root 3. Good. Then minus 4 root 3. I open a bracket. So I've got 2 times 2 is what? 4 root 3. 4 root 3. Then minus 4 times 5 will give me 20. So minus 20 root 3. Good. Now we know that we can add and subtract set if the figures under the root are the same. I said it earlier. If the figures under the root are the same, you can add or subtract. So because there's 4 root 3 here and 20 root 3 here, it means I can now subtract this 4 root 3 from 20 root 3. And I'm having 9 root 3 minus 4 root 3 out into bracket. Taking negative 20 from 4, I'm going to get minus 16 root 3. Good. So we have here to be 9 root 3. Now we've got negative times negative is positive. So plus. Now 4 root 3 is out. 4 times 16 is going to give you what? 64. So we got 64. And root 3 times root 3 will give you what? Root 3 squared. Good. At this point, the power will blow the root sign away. 4, 16, 64. Negative, negative gave me positive. Root 3 gave me root 3 squared. So I blew the root 3 away. Then I've got 9 root 3 plus 64 into bracket 3. It is multiplying. So what happened is that 3 times 64. If you know you are weak, this is how I always do it. You multiply 3 by 6, and you're going to get 18, which is 180. Then 3 times 4 will give you 12. So 180 plus 12 is going to give you what? 192. So I'm going to have 9 root 3 plus 192. So 192, you don't leave the answer like this, you just have to arrange it. But the answer is done. So I prefer I write the 192 root 3. But addition is commutative, so whichever way you want, you can leave it like that. So this is the final answer to the question that was given at this end.